Hey there guys, yeah, another video here from this amazing units. Let's start from up here. We have this sound shaper, guys. It's a ADC equalizer. Very nice piece, guys. It's made in Japan. We have dubbing here. We have monitor, tape 1 and 2, source 1, and tape. We have record and EQ, and it has all this frequencies, adjust knobs, adjustable knobs, so you can see left and right. Very nice piece, guys, and the sound quality, guys, is amazing. I love the sound of this. And over here, guys, I'm using a Tascam CC222 MK4. This is a very nice piece, guys, and it's made in Japan. Nowadays, guys, it's very few that you can find this tape deck with a CD rewritable and a CD player, guys. Very awesome, and it has this buttons and dubbing one, tape, CD, from tape to rewritable, CD copier. And over here we have the dub 2 from CD rewritable. You can play the CD going to the tape and record it from the CD to tape. Very nice. And I bought this for $150, guys, US dollars, and this one I paid $40 US. Very nice piece. And down here, guys, we have this one of a kind, of course. It's a high-end Marantz, one of the popular known phonic receiver. These are very cool piece, guys. It's made in Japan. As you can see, all this long square buttons and the tuning circle knob. Very cool. Look at that, guys. Very nice piece. And we have this knobs, tuner, the mid, the bass, treble selector with volume, and we have this signal strength when you play radio, and the power level watts, and the FM tuning. Very cool piece. And we have the headphone, the outlet. You can plug it there, and you can use it if you want to use the headphone. Very cool piece, guys. Amazing stereo unit, guys. You can see it's a combination by Marantz and Tascam and ADC, and modernized stereos with a little bit of Marantz. It's like a vintage. Very cool. So there it is, guys. You can hear the sample of the sound. 5 years ago, you can always record or film and record the sound of a song from different artists, and while filming you can play that. But nowadays YouTube doesn't like it anymore, so you can't play a long, or not even 15 seconds to play a song. But once the YouTube recognized the song, for example, it came from Pink Floyd or some kind of popular rock artist or singer, then they will notice, and then they will put a, they were saying that you're claiming somebody's song from different people, from different artists. Yeah, so it's different, guys. I can only play few or a couple seconds here and there, different artists. Yeah. So making a video here from Marantz and a Tascam and ADC sound shaper, equalizer, very nice. And I love to listen to the sound of this Marantz, guys. But my JVC, guys, has more clarity. Yeah, sounds more refined, and the sound quality, guys, so clear and clean. Yeah. So just listening to different. You guys can hear the sound. Okay. You guys can hear the sound. I know. Very nice. So there it is, guys. Those are the example of the sound coming from Marantz and Tascam and the ADC. Yeah, sound shaper, equalizer. So tomorrow, guys, I'm gonna pick up my Marantz. Buddy of mine fixed it, and I couldn't, fix it. And I tried, and I don't have the diagnostic kit, and he probably diagnosed it, and you know, um, he found what's wrong with the receiver, the Marantz, and he fixed it. So tomorrow I'm gonna pick it up, and I'm gonna, listen to the sound of it and enjoy the receiver from Marantz. So I owe him $40 to fix it. Better than paying. It's better to pay him than take it to the repair shop, because in the repair shop, you don't know if you can trust this repair guys. They can make up stories, and they fix this, I changed this, and I changed that, and you don't even know um, what's wrong with it, and then they just charge you like um, a high price. So you can't say no, but you have to pay the guy because you want your Marantz back. So I'd rather pay this guy $40, even though, I mean, he said there's a problem with the power cord. And replacing a power cord, guys, not that expensive. I mean, if I know what's wrong with it, I could have done it myself. Um, cut one of those cords from one of my stereos and replace it, and put a, wrap it up with the electrical tape, and that's it. But we'll see tomorrow. Maybe I could ask him for a bit of discount. Maybe I'll pay him $30, and we'll see. So, but that's than better to pay him $40 than pay the guy from repair shop, because these repair shop guys, they're commercialized, and they want to charge more. So yeah, guys. So another video here from my units from ADC equalizer, and my Tascam CC222, and my Marantz receiver. Yeah. So another video here, guys, and just enjoying the beauty of this stereos that I have here. One of my stereos, guys. So that's it, folks, and I will see you again when I have a new video, and enjoy your stereos. Yeah. So for now, yeah. By the way, guys, if you can do me a favor, hit the subscribers, and hit likes, and I thank you guys for doing that for me, and I appreciate that. So thanks again, and see you again. So next time. So for now, I'll say bye bye.